Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this episode, I'm going to teach you how to decorate an Oreo overload dripping cake. To start off, I added a little bit of chocolate ganache at the bottom so the base of the cake will stick. So I bake a 7-inch moist chocolate cake, and in between layers I added ganache and vanilla buttercream. So repeat the same procedure on the other layers. So I made 4 layers on this cake. Next, I crumb coat the cake. Make sure you fill in the gaps. Then I use a scraper to smoothen it out and chill in the fridge for 10 minutes. I then added another layer of buttercream icing for the final coating. Smooth again at the top, and using your scraper, gently smooth the sides. Then I chilled the cake for another 10 minutes. Then I melted a dark chocolate ganache and then used as a drip for the cake. Make sure the cake is chilled before putting the ganache. Gently smoothen the top and make sure the ganache will reach at the edge of the cake so it will drop, just like that. Another tip, I use a teaspoon to add ganache at the edge of the cake to add a dramatic drip effect, just like that. Just how glossy the ganache is. If you want to follow my ganache recipe, you can check on my description box. I then chilled the cake again for another 10 minutes. To start decorating, I added Oreo crumbs at the bottom of the cake. I added some Cadbury chocolate, some Oreo cookies, I added some Oreo sticks, I added more Oreo crumbs at the top. By using a star nozzle, I piped some dropped flowers at the top of the cake. And there you have it, Oreo overload dripping cake. I added the finish of happy birthday cake topper at the top to make it more beautiful. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, please do comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for any video updates. If you want to see more of my cake designs, please follow my Facebook and Instagram page. The name is NL Cafe Cakes. Again, bye!